aperture of an optical fiber. It is a measure of how much light can be collected by an optical system, such as an optical fiber or a microscopic lens. The numerical aperture is related to the acceptance angle theta A, which indicates the size of a cone of a light that can be accepted by the fiber. One way of measuring the numerical aperture of the fiber is to fill the fiber with light and measure the characteristics of the light leaving the fiber. The fiber output is a cone of light that spreads out wider as the distance from the fiber exit increases. Now the methods. Number 1. Mount a laser source, coupling unit, a holder, an optical fiber with a smooth edge, a detector unit. Number 2. In order to couple the light into the fiber, we need to keep the laser beam as straight as possible. Number 3. One end of the fiber is fixed within the holder and the other end is kept straight in front of the detector. Number 4. The distance between the fiber end and the detector should be within 1 to 5 mm and it should be the same throughout the experiment. Number 5. Light passes through the coupling unit, through the fiber, and it illuminates at the end. 6. The detector is then scanned horizontally and measure the distance with a screw gauge. Number 7. Plot the graph between each points of the detector scanned in the x-axis and its corresponding maximum intensity of current in the y-axis. Number 8. Calculate the spot size of the light using the formula half of I0 by E square. Number 9. The numerical aperture can be calculated using the formula sin A is equal to R by square root of R square plus D square. Measure distance and spot diameter for several different distances and plot the results on graph paper to a scale. The total internal reflection is what causes light to be guided along the length of an optical fiber. Light must first fall inside an acceptance angle so that it can enter into the fiber's core. Acceptance angle or numerical aperture measures the range of acceptance of light into a fiber. The angle over which a fiber accepts light depends on the refractive indices of the core and cladding glass.